Another aspect of statistics will be range. So in this question, we have 9 students that did the history test and we are given results while we have the lowest value x and the highest value y, but we are not told what they are. All students receive different scores in the test. The range of the scores is 61. Work out the maximum possible value of x and corresponding value of y. Okay, so how do we do that? Normally, when we have to calculate the range, isn't it? Work out the range, calculate range, find range. But when they are giving us an answer, we have to ask ourselves a question, well, how did they get that? So range, how do we calculate the range? We take the highest value minus the lowest value. So in our case, that 61 they got because they took the highest value, which is y, minus the lowest value, which is x. So we know that in this particular case, somebody got that value x, and the next in line was 37. Now, since all students got different scores, that's the reason why that is in bold. Again, when the word is in bold, we have to pay attention to it. That means that student had to get less than 37 because they all got different scores, and that x value is lowest. So the lower than 37 would be 36. Now, it could be lower than that, 20, of 1, or 5. We don't know. However, here we have the additional description that is saying maximum possible value of x. So the highest value of x is actually 36 because 37 we already have, and that is the lowest. So if I know that that is 36, that means that my equation now look like this. 61 equal y minus 36. Now I want to find the value of y because I know that the value of x, the max, it can be 36. So to find the value of y, I take my 36 to the other side, change the sign, put that in my calculator, and I get that the value of y therefore will be 97.